looks gross. Damn, Vitaly!
Look what you made me do, Brandy!
Ooh, look what you made me do.
Good day.
Good vibes.
Happy National Cereal Day, everybody! What are you doing?
I bought a new Applejack and it's not charging my phone.
In honor of National Cereal Day, we're playing Cereal versus Real. So get ready, Vitaly, because you're gonna be toast. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, man. So you're gonna switch or stay?
What would you do?
Switch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ew.
Thank you so
What?
much. You made me win.
Aww.
Yeah, get it? Because it's rice.
Man, yeah,
Rice
that's
Krispies.
funny. Ew,
You
it's
got
in
the real
milk.
thing.
Yeah, and it's not even cooked.
I like Rice Krispie treats. Are you eating it?
I might break a tooth.
Okay, let's go on to the next round. Wait, can we try the spoon flip that we did yesterday onto it? Let's go on to the next round! Okay, so the score is 1-0 because I got the
0. I ate it.
Brandy, you set the rules. It's who gets the cereal wins.
I didn't have to eat that rice.
No, you didn't. I was
That
like,
raw
I
hard
thought
rice.
you wanted to eat rice. I was like, oh, she's hungry.
I'm gonna switch. Go.
We don't call it switch for
that's
nothing.
heavy. 3, 2, 1.
it.
Yes!
Oh, this is so pretty though.
Is that real
These
pebbles?
are, yes, these are aquarium rocks.
Aww, I wasn't done.
Now no one can enjoy it. Look what Taylor Swift made us do.
Ooh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
Are you not having a fun time?
The score is 1-1. Vitalis, what are you gonna do?
Triple switch. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh, look at the. Oh, those are really good. Did you dip it in the milk? My favorite cereal.
Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. Here's a hell of...
The score is now 2-1. On to the next round. I'm gonna stay.
This is our first day.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
That was a good decision.
That looks gross. Damn, Vitaly!
Look what you made me do, Brandy!
Ooh, look what you made me do.
Is it good now?
Try it.
I'm trying that.
No.
I'll have half if you have half. Not bad.
The score is 3-1. I'm in the lead.
You stayed last time. I should go, but I'll stay.
3, 2, 1. Man.
You're winning still. Oh, you got Applejacks. Do you know how to play?
I actually don't know how to play.
I don't know how to play either. Wait,
they
does
have-
the internet know how to play Applejacks? Internet, do you know? People out there?
Yeah. Comment down below if you know how to play it.
Oh, you know how to play? Tell us how. That guy over there. Oh, you don't? Oh, man.
I know how you play. So you
Okay.
bounce the ball, and before the ball hits the ground again, you have to grab all the Apple Jacks.
So we should probably spread them out a little bit, right?
No, it's easier to have
Yeah,
them together.
it is easier if it's together. You made it in the trash. Oh, man, it is
Okay,
hard.
let's
Wow.
go on to the next round.
The score is Peace to 3. Brandy's winning. I brought my lucky spoon. I'm hoping you guessed wrong.
I'll switch. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Ew.
Oh, we're tied. I knew this was the lucky spoon.
Well,
Gross. No way, gross.
apparently I don't have to eat it. So,
These aren't that bad. The
How
score
dare you.
is 3-3. On to the next one.
so it is 3-3. It is a tie.
Tensions are high.
That's-
This is
Scary.
yeah.
This might be the end of our friendship, depending how things go.
Friendship over.
Friendship
for now.
over for now.
I am gonna switch things up and say you decide.
What?
Oh wait, no,
Okay.
let's hold it behind your back. 2 is
Ready?
stay, 1 is switch.
Okay, got it. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ah, come on.
Oh.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Dang it!
Okay, I'll switch.
Dude, you better be wrong.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. No!
Oh, yes! I
Why'd
love
you
it.
do this to me?
Dude, you're the one.
Dude, I'm toast. Brandy, you were right.
I knew he was gonna be toast. Get ready, Vitaly, because you're gonna be toast.
You call
I
it
said
one of a game, you left your toast.
What?
It's not bad, it's just like a ton of cinnamon on toast.
Oh.
I don't really like milk.
I love milk.
Really? I could already chug that in 20 seconds. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, whoa. That's a cool video. 4, 5, 6. Oh, actually, you need to watch this one right here. 7, 8. I'm giving you lots of extra seconds. 9, 10. Are you done?